Welcome! Here I'll show you how to make a mask, a throwaway mask, which you can use for about 6 hours continuously, instead of paying a lot of money to buy one in the shop. All you need is some kitchen paper, and they say a sheet of kitchen paper will stop a micron of dust particles, and the South Korean research labs have said that it is good enough to stop quite a lot of the coronavirus droplets that float around. So you need 2 sheets of kitchen paper, double them to give you some extra protection. Then you need a bit of baker foil. Just stir a little bit out. So flatten the baker foil, and bend it in half, and then just fold it over and over again to make a strip. This strip of baker foil will act as reinforcement for the mask. So bend it like so. That is quite strong. Now, the first thing you need to do on your double sheet of kitchen foil, or rather kitchen paper, is put your baker foil towards one end. As you can see, I'm doing here. I'm using masking tape, but you can also do this with sellotape. I just find that masking tape is easier, a bit softer to use on the nose, and it's not smooth like sellotape. So I've chosen to use masking tape. But as I say, you can use whatever tape you have available. So get a bit of masking tape, and with masking tape it's easier to tear as well. So put it down here, go round, so this will hold the aluminium foil in place. Now the next thing you want to do is get another piece of masking tape, roughly the size of the bottom, and use that for the bottom. like so. Then after doing that, all you need to do is just simply to Constantine the paper. So just like so. That's it, so that is that. So remember the baker foil bit is the top. Now, you need 2 small rubber bands. So I'll get 2 small rubber bands. Then what you need to do is just lie the rubber band in here. And turn the thing that way. You're going to do the same on the other side, and we'll hold this down with a bit of masking tape. So like so, get in, and simply go this way, put it in here, there, and you repeat on the other side. So if I get my bit of masking tape ready, the same thing you do again, put that in there, bend it down, and use your masking tape to hold that in place. There we are. Now this part here goes over the nose and the bottom bit goes under the chin. And these two rubber bands are then used, so you just move that into there, and these go around the ear, like so, and similarly here, similarly there. There we are. So these go around the ear, the ear. This bit here, the baker foil underneath, will mould to your nose, and you just open it like that. To put round your nose. So you put it around your nose, just open it, down there, and that goes around your ear. So you put the baker foil around your nose, just mold it to your face, and there you are. You've got a surgical mask which you can use for about 6 hours continuously and then throw it away when you finish. Hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching.